Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm taking you along with me to IKEA so I can share with you everything that's new in stores for summer 2023. I find that IKEA kind of has two summer launches. One early summer launch that has all of their patio decor, patio furniture, umbrellas, all of that fun stuff. And then their late summer launch is more of their back to school organization, new furniture, different color schemes. So I'm really excited to see what they're launching now. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and head inside. Let's head up to the showroom to see all the new pieces styled in place. This little front corner always has a new launch. So right now they're bringing back their 80s styles that were really popular. These stools I think would be perfect for a kid's classroom. A lot of these small items and little seat cushions and floor pads would be perfect for an elementary school classroom. So if you're a teacher looking for things to add to your space, a lot of this stuff could be really fun. Even this plant stand I think would be such a great little sandbox or little water bin. I think you could do a lot of activities around that. So these are just some fun, colorful pieces that they have in store right now. One of my favorite things to do in the showroom is open up cabinet doors and drawers. There's always great organization ideas inside, so explore the kitchens and open what you can to discover new organization ideas. I love deep drawers like this with the plate organization. Everything just stays in place. This is a very clever organizer. It's a whole system that gets built into your cabinet so that you can turn your deep cabinets into more usable, accessible space. This is probably why my IKEA trips are so long, because I open everything up. It's like being in a life-size dollhouse. I love it. All right, let's go check out some new furniture here. I just spotted their brand new sofa line and it's ultra modern. This type of sofa would be perfect for a mid-century modern home, a modern home, maybe if you're going for an eclectic style and kind of want to mix some pieces together, or you can make it look a little bit more traditional with a different style leg. So if you just swap out that detail, I think it changes it a lot. These round cushions are also removable. They can be removed and you can style the couch differently. That will kind of change up the look, but the comfort level of this sofa is actually very impressive. It has some bounce to it, a lot of cushion. I think they're really upping their quality and comfort here, so that's a great sign. I also spotted a brand new chair, which I love. It comes in 3 different colors, red, black, and this really beautiful bleached wood. This style chair immediately looks a bit farmhouse, but it can definitely go Scandinavian or modern or traditional. It has this timeless classic look to it, and I think it could look really cool in a space. It's lower to the ground, so you get that loungy look, and it has a lot of width to it. So I think this is such a cute chair, and I love that it comes with that thick cushion. In this office setup, I am loving this laptop riser. I've been looking for something like this. This one's very neutral, and I think it's something I could definitely use at my desk. I just think it would help bring my posture up. So that's something I'm gonna be looking for later on in the marketplace. If you've been wanting to create an extra sleeping space in your home, but you don't have room for a full-size pull-out couch, you need to check out this Kivik chair. This is a lounge chair that pulls right out to turn into a twin-size bed. I think this would be such a great addition to a family room, a playroom, a kid's room. It would just turn into an instant sleepover space. And it's so great. So this is the Kivik line. You just easily roll out the bed from underneath, use that back cushion as the end of the bed, and then the seat cushion unzips and folds out into the mattress. It's so incredible. I love design like this that's very thoughtful for small spaces. So this is a key piece for sure. Now there's a new line of cabinets and shelving here, the Lane Sun line, and it is a very interesting design. This is their TV cabinet, and it's a mid-tone wood with really soft beveled edges and these kind of industrial modern doors. So you get a little bit of mixed styles here that could integrate really well into many different styles. I love the sideboard version. I just love this height. I would actually use this as a TV stand to bring that height up a bit and give you more of an expensive look. I find TV stands kind of look small and cheap, but these sideboards are a great option instead. They also have the line in bookcases, so you could really build out your design and add to it. This is a beautiful mid-size shelving unit, and then they also have that shelving unit with doors. I think I love the doors the best, so I would definitely go for that version. Now into the dining section, they have this amazing small space dining room table displayed. This is not a new piece, but I just love seeing it highlighted this way. This can be pushed up against a wall and take up very minimal space. It has drawers built in, and then it can easily extend out into a table that could fit 6 people. It's so incredible. So if you're looking for something that can fit multiple purposes for you, I think that's such a good find. They also have this cute square table, which is a very different design. You don't see a ton of square tables, so that's a very cute piece. Looks very cottagey. I love it. IKEA has so many great pieces for your home, but they also have great things for events. And this little setup reminds me of a little wedding table setup. And as you guys know, I'm getting married next year, so any ideas are helpful here. This is such a cute setup with these new linens and how they've kind of created pockets to hold the cutlery. Such cute ideas here. I always think it's fun to refresh your space with new dishes and glassware, and this double-walled drinking glass is just perfect. I love the way double-walled glass looks, and it just helps insulate your drink as well. They have colored glasses, they have my favorite wine glasses here. I have a whole set of these in my home, and they always get compliments when people come over, so they are definitely a good buy from IKEA. These wire baskets have become very popular. I have some of the white ones in my pantry. These are great if you want ventilation in your basket, maybe if you're storing onions or potatoes, something like that. And now they have them in yellow and blue. Very fresh, happy color for the summertime. Another new product I see are these sound-absorbing wall panels. I like that these are neutral and you can kind of integrate them into any space without them being an eyesore, and they'd be perfect for a home office, a studio, or a playroom. All right, here's that laptop riser I was looking at. Let me know down below if you use one of these, if you think it's helpful at all. I think I'm gonna try it out and bring this one home with me. They also are bringing back this laptop support. I've had this for years, and I think they stopped selling it at one point, but I use this almost every day. This can go right on your lap like a pillow, and it creates just a hard surface for you to use your laptop or do any work on. So I went through all of college using this, and it was amazing. It's so useful. I think you'll totally get your money's worth out of it, and it's something I would absolutely recommend if you work from home. I love a desk chair that can kind of double as a lounge chair, and I think this is such a great option. It comes in different colors and it's pretty neutral. They also have this style that's a little bit more minimal, takes up less space, and then all of these new styles and colors. I love the more neutral color palette that's coming out. They just look more decorative. Now this is a great new cabinet design. I love the use of drawers, but I love the look of cabinets, so this gives you the best of both worlds. You can organize really well in these drawers, but hide everything behind the cabinet doors. This would be perfect for a bedroom, a front entryway. It could be used as a mini linen closet. There's so much that could be done with this. Now downstairs in the marketplace, I noticed these new tablecloths. I love a classic, simple pattern tablecloth, and these are new here. So they have the cream, they have it in taupe and blue. I love adding a subtle texture and color to my table like this, or going a different route by using textured placemats. Let me know down below in the comments, are you someone that likes placemats or tablecloths, or both? Now there's a few new pieces here in the bathroom section. First, this sauna bucket and ladle. They've just thought of everything here. This would be perfect if you have a cabin or a cottage. It just is a very aesthetically pleasing sauna bucket. I love this. They also have this new fluted glass and gold set for your bathroom. So there's a soap dispenser, a little glass canister, and a cup. So it all matches and would make for such a cute set. Now in the cushion section, I found these new chair pads. These are faux sheepskin chair pads, just a nice round shape that could be used as little floor cushions, or you can put them on hard surfaces like a bench or a hardwood chair. They're perfect for adding that cozy feeling. I think it's gonna be great for fall and winter. They also have these chair cushions that don't have any ties on the back, they just have that grip underneath. So I like the minimal look of them to just add some extra comfort. They always have great handmade baskets here. I love adding texture and warmth to any space this way. They can be used as organization or styling. Every space needs some baskets. Now this is a cool new floor lamp. Look how large and expansive this floor lamp is. It's perfect for sectional sofas, so you can tuck it in the corner and it actually gives you light from above. It adds height to a room, a huge wow factor, and it's such a simple piece. If you want to add wow factor to a room and practicality, this would be the perfect addition. Again, in that back to school work mode, they have a ton of new little desk features. I really like this laptop light that hooks right onto your screen, and it's portable. It doesn't need to be plugged into a wall. It actually plugs right into your computer and gives you some light from above. They even have all of these new ring lights and desk lights that can double and do both. So these are great if you're taking Zoom calls and meetings. Having the perfect lighting always makes the biggest difference. Now there's always new trends when it comes to mirror design and shape, and right now the trend is organic shapes. So these rattan organic looking mirrors that can be placed in all different directions is such a great find. These are $60 each, and again, they would add that warmth just like a basket would to any space. If you're looking for some cute planters for outside, these are amazing. These are outdoor baskets that are plant pots. I love the design of these. They look so much more expensive than they are. Like, you could find them at Serena and Lily or Crate and Barrel. They definitely have that high-end look, and the material is so durable. So these are such a cute addition. I even love their window baskets that they have. This rectangular shape is super cute as well. You could also bring them inside and use them inside your home as well. They also have different finishes to terracotta pots. So instead of the traditional really saturated orange color, they have this deeper brown and more of a whitewashed version. So I love the different options that they have here if you don't love the super saturated look. As always, we're ending the trip in the as is section. This is where you can find the best deals. Also, you can find already assembled furniture. So if you're looking for a dresser but you don't want to have to build it yourself, look in the as is section because you can get it at a better price and it's fully built. So it's the best of both worlds for sure. You can always find gems in here, like this huge round mirror. I haven't seen this in stock in a long time, so finding it in the as is section is a steal. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas on what you should look for next time you're at IKEA. Let me know down below in the comments if you found anything in today's video that you have your eye on that you would love to get this season. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!